Good morning, students. How are you? Good. I'm fine too. Okay, I am Mr. Muhammad Yazid Fathul Mujib. You can call me Mr. Mujib. I will be your teacher in these lessons. Okay? Before I start the lesson, let's pray together. Finish. Okay? Today, we will learn about parts of a plant. I hope at the lesson we can identify parts of a plant, write vocabulary, and answer a question about part of a plant. Okay, students. Before that, what do you think a plant is? Okay, let's learn together.
Plants. Plants are living organisms that grow in the soil and use energy from the sun to produce their own food, making them important for life on Earth. Plants have several parts, each with its own important functions. Nah, tumbuhan adalah organisme hidup yang tumbuh di tanah dan menggunakan energi dari matahari untuk menghasilkan makanannya sendiri, membuatnya penting bagi kehidupan di bumi. Tumbuhan memiliki beberapa bagian yang masing-masing memiliki fungsi yang penting.
Okay, students. What is the picture? Okay, good. This is roots. Let's spelling it together. R-O-O-T-S. Roots.
Roots, akar. Roots are usually underground. It anchors the plant in the ground. Roots absorb water and minerals from the soil. Akar biasanya berada di bawah tanah. Akar menahan tanaman di tanah. Akar menyerap air dan mineral dari tanah.
Okay, students, look at this picture. What is the picture? Good. This picture is stem. Let's spelling it. S-T-E-M. Stem.
Stem, batang. The stem supports leaves and flowers. It transports food and water around the plant. Batang mendukung daun dan bunga. Batang memungkinkan makanan dan air bersirkulasi di sekitar tanaman.
Okay, next, look at this picture. What is the picture? Good. This picture is leaves. Let's spell it. L-E-A-V-E-S. Leaves.
Leaves, daun. Leaves are fat and thin parts of the plant. It uses the sun to make its food. Most leaves are green in color. Daun adalah bagian tumbuhan yang pipih dan tipis. Daun menggunakan sinar matahari untuk membuat makanannya. Sebagian besar daun berwarna hijau.
Okay, next, look at this picture. What is the picture? Please say it loudly. What is the picture? Good. This picture is flower. Let's spell it. F-L-O-W-E-R. Flower.
Flower, bunga. The flower is considered the most attractive part of the plant. Bunga dianggap sebagai bagian tumbuhan yang paling menarik.
Okay, next, look at this picture. What is the picture? Good. This picture is fruits. Let's spell it. F-R-U-I-T. Fruits.
Fruit, buah. Fruit is part of a flowering plant. It contains the seeds of the plant. Buah adalah bagian dari tumbuhan berbunga. Buah mengandung biji tumbuhan tersebut.
Okay, student. And last, look at this picture. What is the picture? Good. This picture is seeds. Let's spell it. S-E-E-D-S. Seeds.
Seeds, biji. A seed is a part that can grow into a new plant. Most plants reproduce by seeds. Biji adalah bagian yang dapat tumbuh menjadi tanaman baru. Sebagian besar tanaman bereproduksi melalui biji.
Okay, students, we have learned about plants and their functions. Now, let's read the story of Lina and Bimo in their garden. Let's go!
Let's dive into the world together. Plant growth and development. The morning, Lina was watering the plants in the small garden behind the house. Pagi itu, Lina sedang menyiram tanaman di kebun kecil belakang rumahnya.
Plants need water to grow well.
Bimo came and watched Lina watering the plants. Bimo datang dan memperhatikan Lina yang sedang menyiram tanaman.
Lina, why do the plants need to be watered every day?
Lina invites Bimo to come closer to a small plant growing in the soil. Lina mengajak Bimo mendekat ke sebuah tanaman kecil yang tumbuh di tanah.
Now, let's look at this plant. The plant is still small.
Bimo squat down and looked at the bottom part of the plant in the soil. Lina smiled and explained it. Bimo berjongkok melihat bagian bawah tanaman di tanah. Lina tersenyum dan menjelaskannya.
What is this bottom part, Lina? The called roots. Roots help the plant stand strong and absorb water.
Lina pointed to another plant in the garden that had a stem and green leaves. Lina menunjukkan tanaman lain di kebun yang memiliki batang dan daun berwarna hijau.
What is the function of the stem, Lina? The stem supports the plant and the leaves make food using sunlight.
A few days later, Lina and Bimo returned to the garden to see the plant again. Beberapa hari kemudian, Lina dan Bimo kembali ke kebun untuk melihat tanaman itu lagi.
Lina, where is the flower now? Yes, flowers have plants reproduce.
In another corner of the garden, Lina and Bimo saw a different plant that had grown big and produced fruit. Di sudut kebun, Lina dan Bimo melihat tanaman lain yang sudah tumbuh besar dan berbuah.
Lina, why is this fruit so big? This plant has grown for a long time. The fruit comes from a flower and has seeds inside.
After learning about plant parts and growths, Lina and Bimo plant a small tree seedling together in the garden. Setelah belajar tentang bagian dan pertumbuhan tanaman, Lina dan Bimo menanam bibit pohon kecil di kebun bersama-sama.
If we plant this tree, will it grow big too? Yes, as long as it is got for water and gets sunlight.
Let's take care of the earth. Plants are a source of life because from them come air, food, and the balance of nature.
Okay, students, from the story, we learned that plants have different parts. Each part has an important functions. So, all parts of a plant work together to help the plant grow. Now, let's practice what we have learned. Please open your worksheet. Okay, students, match the work with the pictures. This worksheet will help you remember the parts of a plant. You can do this worksheet at home. Okay, students, what we learned today? Good! Today we learned about parts of a plant. Okay, before end the lesson, let's pray together. Finish. Okay, students, thank you very much. See you next time.